Google has recently been doing some work to the Recents menu, the Recents page on Android 12. And with the latest Android 12 Beta 4 update, the company has added yet another change to the Recents page that I'm going to show you today. So in a previous video, I showed you that Google was doing work to the Android Recents page. Whenever you see the multitasking view here, this is commonly referred to as the Recents page. And with it, Google wanted to make sure it was easier to share links to certain apps and websites. So if an application supports Android 12 and this feature, if there is a link available for that app or that web page, you're going to see that little link icon right there. I've talked about this previously and how you can even drag and drop to share this link. But again, Google has made more changes to this Recents page with the 4th beta update. And this one's focusing more on sharing the images on a website quickly rather than just the link. So if you have an image on a website or an application that supports this feature, whenever you see that in the Recents page, you should see a possible other icon. So you can see we have that icon for the link that I showed you before, but now we have icons that are appearing for the actual images on the website. Again, it's not happening on all of them, but it is happening on some, to where you tap that icon, it highlights the image that you're looking at and gives you some options. So we can instantly open up Google Lens for that image. We can copy and save this image to our clipboard. We can share that image directly from here. And we can even just save the image, download that image, and save it to our smartphone or tablet. Not only that, but just like before, whenever we can drag and drop that link to quickly share, we can do that with this image as well. We just tap and hold the image, and we can share that to our quick share menu at the bottom, or we can drag and drop it to the more to get the full share menu. And this should work for any image that you see on the screen. You can see we can drag and drop this top image to the quick shares, or we can long press that image to get the lens, copy, share, and save options right above it instead of right above here that it default showed. So that's the latest changes to the Recents multitasking page for Android 12 Beta 4 and how we can quickly share, save, and even search for images that are being displayed.